Hi guys, this is Rabia and you are listening to the Brown Girl Rants. What's happening? What's up? How are you guys? I am fine. I am doing well. I am not doing that well. Not like mentally, but physically I'm not doing well. Not physically, like I should be I could do better, okay? Like I just have a lot to do this week. I am not even kidding. Just I have a lot to do this week. I kind of feel stressed. I told you guys कि I start last week I started this Quran Tajweed class and or I get homework every single day. So every single day I'm kind of stressed. I need to do better about it, and then there's just a lot happening and I'm like, oh my god, I need to do it. I need to do it. On Saturday I edit my YouTube videos and on Sunday I posted, or even for that I'm so stressed. Like in this weekend I'm skipping, so I'm fine. Anyways, we today are gonna talk about my favorite thing ever, like my favorite episode to ever make. I am so excited and so happy to make this episode because I hope you guys, because I enjoy recording it, because I enjoy whenever the season changes and I can talk about it and we can find things that we can do in that season. Like I personally love that. A change of season for me is like a new beginning, that which was like my previous podcast. If you haven't listened to it, then it will be, I'll really appreciate it if you would. If you don't want to, it's okay. Like, and it will be fun. Like, you can if you want to. But anyways, I always appreciate whenever the season changes, because for me it's a new start and it's an opportunity for me to do things that I cannot do in other seasons. Or every single season for me has a great value in my heart. But summer are a little bit difficult and less fun, and my duty is to make summer fun for you guys. Last year b I made a lot of episodes that were matlab ke on this like topic, and I got compliment from 2-3 people that because of my podcast they started doing things that they wouldn't have to, and they like started doing that, they started doing things and started enjoying. So I hope ke with this episode you start enjoying more and you just look forward to summer. Abhi I am making a podcast. Abhi I am like talking about summers and the essentials and how to survive through summers and how to not hate it that much, or how to not be miserable about it, and how to just go through it with a smile on your face and with excitement. But once the summer vacation hits and it's June, then I'll make another podcast in which we can talk about the activities you can do this summer. Because we always like seek for winters to do things, because obviously it's hot in summer and it's inconvenient, but we can see what we can do. Like, and right now I know everyone is in the work mode and I got distracted because I got a call. Anyways, what we are saying that this 2-3 months coming is like very, for me and I think for everyone else, it's like kind of like tough, because either we are busy with our work, either we are busy with our studying, or we are just busy with something. Or uske baad when summer vacation comes or the monsoon hits, it's kind of more relaxed, and then with September fall season hits, then we are working again. I don't know if that makes sense, but for me it does. Anyways, so abhi we can see it's already so hot and it's gonna get more and more and more hot. So we're gonna see what are the things that are essential for us, what are the things that we can add on to just have a more better more to have a better summer, and to enjoy and to like seek things that could make it better for us. So that's the topic for today, and I hope you guys enjoy listening to it. Now, my first tip for your ultimate summer guide is that stay fresh and clean. Obviously, staying fresh and clean is important, and you should be doing it regardless of any weather or any time or anything. Lekin, specifically for summers, I think sometimes we feel gross. That could be a reason why we hate summer, and we just do not enjoy it and we are miserable in it because we feel gross. Why we feel gross? Because we sweat a lot and the sweat stinks and it's just bad and we do not feel good. We don't feel like getting ready because we sweat so much. So it's like you're like, oh, I just don't want to get ready. I don't want to put on makeup or do things because I'm gonna sweat a lot and I'm not gonna look good. So the first thing that would make you feel light and fresh and happy is just to stay fresh and clean. How we can stay clean? Obviously by taking a shower, but also we can like feel clean by smelling nice. And I am not saying to just drench yourself in perfume, like to use maybe a scented soap, a scented body wash, a scented shampoo, because sometimes when your hair smells like great, you also feel good, and also you mostly get sweats in the area where your hair are growing from, so obviously you get sweat from your head as well, like in or then you start feeling oh my hairs are dirty and all of that. So maybe using a shampoo that have a more floral smell or a fruity smell would help you, making you feel more fresh and clean. I am using this, I started using this like body wash thing, shower gel thing, and it's strawberry, so it makes my skin feel feel fresh and clean. I just came out of the shower, so I just feel very fresh right now. So I think this is a very important thing, and this is the thing that would make you feel a bit more lighter in summer if you are feeling fresh and clean. Another thing that makes you feel really fresh is by adding fruits and eating good and fresh things. I personally really love when I am having fruits, or I am having like yogurt, or I am having a milkshake, or I am having a fruit juice. मतलब कि in my day, especially in summers, it just makes me feel fresh. It makes me feel like, oh, this gonna like add so much, and I just feel good, and I'm eating clean, or it's just good. Yesterday eating cucumber, eating salad, tomatoes, ये सब कुछ, it just helps me to feel more fresh, because I am not eating that is something that is extra oily and extra sugary, because that also makes me feel gross. I think I am at that age where eating good stuff, something fruit or fresh vegetables, makes me really feel good, because I know it's helping my skin. It's making me there is just so much a ton of like benefits in it that's gonna like directly help me. And also I'm just eating good thing, and also it just makes me feel fresh and not feel gross. So that's also another thing that could really help you. So for in summers, that's the thing for me. Whenever I'm feeling extra gross, I just go and take a shower, and I just start believing in life again. So मुझे लगता है in summers, if you want your to make the summer a little bit bearable, you need to like be fresh and be clean, and you just need to use products on your hair, on your skin, on your body that would make you feel fresh and not make you like more sweaty. I just want to like include skincare in it as well. First of all, the thing with this is also that you can enjoy taking cold showers, that you can, obviously you can't do it in winters. Obviously taking shower from warm water is a different pleasure, and I acknowledge that, but sometimes it's not that good for your hair and your face. Obviously washing your face with warm water is not that good, and washing your face with cold water is really good for your skin. And same with hair, you cannot wash your hair from like ultra hot water. So that's the thing that comes with the pleasure of taking a shower in warm water. Like in with cold water, you can, and it feels nice, you feel fresh, it just is good. So take that opportunity while it is, before the winter comes, and it's great, and you will feel really nice. Or with skincare, because we need to talk about it now. The thing is that I personally love doing skincare in summers, because in winters again you cannot wash your face. Obviously in winter you can add more moisturizer, and you can do like skin prep more. Like in this, you need to like make sure you're using the products that is making your skin stay hydrated. In winters we need moisture for our skin, because our skin gets dry, but in summers we need hydration for our skin. This one ingredient that is tried and true, I love it so much. My favorite active ingredients is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid makes your skin looks plump and hydrated, and it like जब आपके मुंह पे ऑलरेडी हाइड्रेशन होती है, इट स्टोर्स दैट, एंड इट मतलब कि इट let it like stay in your skin. So hyaluronic acid is really good if you are looking for an ingredient that you want to use in summers. Obviously it's not uske bagair bhi you can like have your face hydrated. Like, and if you are looking for an ingredient, then that's it, then that is hyaluronic acid. I personally use gel based cleanser and gel based moisturizer I was using last year इन समर्स, खास मुझे लगता है कि उसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी होती है वो लाइट होती है, इतना ज़्यादा फील नहीं होता. द क्लेंजर आई एम यूजिंग, दैट आई हैव बीन यूजिंग सिंस लास्ट ईयर, इज़ हर्बियन का क्लेंजर. It's made of all natural ingredients. I love it so much. It also exfoliates your skin. It's really good. I have showed it multiple times on my Instagram story. But if you want to see it again, then I can obviously show you. You have to DM me. Like, and it's so good. I love it. So I love using gel-based cleanser and moisturizer in summers. So first of all, you need to do that. You need to have a cleanser and moisturizer, and that would make your skin feel so fresh. Cause ऑब्वियसली मुझे लगता है कि इट्स समर एंड आप जितना, अगर आप ज़्यादा हैवी स्किन केयर नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली यू गेट स्वेटी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट ऑफ कोर्स. लेकिन मुझे लगता है फॉर मी डूइंग मोर स्किन केयर इन summer makes me feel less gross because my skin is fresh, it's nice. I wash, if I'm washing it in the morning and in the night, or if you're putting moisturizer in it, when you're doing it at night, you wake up with a good skin. Or मुझे लगता है कि in morning you can like, you're just ready to go and your skin feels more fresh and radiant. So make sure you're doing your skincare and also you're locking in the moisture and hydration on your skin. Second thing is obviously drink a ton of water. This is not just for skincare, just drink a lot of water. जब मैं यूनिवर्सिटी में होती थी, आई वुड नॉट केयर, और मैं सुबह पानी पी के जाती थी और वापसी पे फिर आके पानी पीती थी, बिकॉज आई वुड नॉट टेक माई वाटर बॉटल विद मी, और आई वुड नॉट हैव वाटर एंड आई वुड नॉट केयर अबाउट इट. कभी कभी ऐसा होता था कि आई एम लाइक taking other carbonated drinks and beverages and I am not drinking real water. So don't do that to yourself. Drink water. If there's one drink you want to drink in summers, that's water. So make sure you are taking your water bottle with you wherever you are going, in your work, in your university. Obviously मुझे लगता है कि बहुत जगह ये फैसिलिटी होती है कि आप जाके पानी भर के खुद पी सकते हैं. इवन इन ऑफिस देयर इज अ डिस्पेंसर समथिंग. लेकिन मैंने ये चीज़ नोट की है, जब आपके पास अपनी पर्सनल वाटर बॉटल होती है, यू आर एबल टू ड्रिंक मोर वाटर देन यू ओरिजिनली वुड हैव. Or it's the same for me, even though I am at home, I have my water bottle with me all the time, because sometimes I'm working and I want to go and drink water, like, and I'm working, so I'm procrastinating and I would not go for hours and get water. So having a water bottle for me, it's convenient kyunki I have it. I take it like everywhere with me. My family also makes fun of me कि तुम क्यों इसको ले लेके हर जगह फिरती हो, लेकिन it's good. I got a water bottle from my friend as a gift last year. This year January May, it's a Stanley bottle. It's the really this is the first time I have it. I have a nice bottle, so the water also stays cold. That's good. Like in last year tak I just had this mason jar and it was really good. Or I personally love sipping water from straw because you can like have, you can just keep sipping water and it's just enjoyable for me. It just makes me happy. Like, and having a personal water bottle is really helpful, and I would really just advise you guys that even if you're staying at home, keep your water bottle with you, besides your bed, besides whatever you're doing, besides wherever you're going, so that you have it in your approach and you can keep sipping it, and you're not just drinking water whenever you are like thirsty. It's not water, it's not important, it's not zaruri to drink water whenever you are just feeling thirsty. You need to like keep drinking water to keep yourself hydrated. I don't know how much water you're supposed to be drinking. I don't know, I think 8 to 12 glass. I don't know how much liters. Like, you even if you're doing more than that, then there's no like disadvantage, nuksan or loss to that. to that. So drink as much water as you can. It's gonna make your skin better. It's gonna help. Like if you have pimple, that I do, it helps with pimple, or it just makes you feel more fresh. So it just comes in that freshness thing. So your lips will feel better, your skin will feel more hydrated. So you need to be hydrated and not dehydrated. When you would feel weak if you're dehydrated, your skin would feel bad, and you would not feel fresh in the summers. So it is very important to drink water in summers. Yes, I totally forgot that we were talking about skincare. So the other last thing, first thing I said is a cleanser and moisturizer. Do it at day and night, cause your skin, your face cleanser cleans your skin, and moisturizer will lock in that hydration, and your skin will end up looking more fresh. If you want to add an ingredient, an active ingredient, or want to buy some product and you want some active ingredient that would make you feel more hydrated, is an hyaluronic acid. But if you can, then that's good. If you can't, then that's fine. I am not currently using hyaluronic acid. I do have a serum, hyaluronic acid serum, but I'm not using it aajkal, and my skin is still fresh and fine. So it's basically a luxury. If you want it, then that's that. Like, and if you don't, then just a cleanser and moisturizer is enough. Drink a lot of water, because that's the thing that is actually gonna provide you hydration. And third is that whatever, just eat a lot of fruits and stuff, or yogurt, or just all the fresh and healthy things, because that's gonna benefit you as well. Okay, now let's talk about hair freshness. Your hair needs to be fresh as well. Now, what really, this is something that works for me. I hope it does for you too, and I think it's worth giving a shot. Is that I apply coconut oil on my hairs, and that makes my hair feel so fresh for the next like 3 days. I don't get, whenever I apply coconut oil on my hair, I do not, my hair are not oily for the next 3 to 4 days. They stay fresh, they stay nice and healthy, and they are just soft, or it just feels really nice. The discovery of coconut oil, even though it's a thing that has been in world since like years, like in last year I just started using coconut oil. It's been a game changer for my hair. First of all, obviously मुझे लगता है कि with applying oil, people do not use oil on their skin, on their hairs in summer, because obviously oil is heavy, and obviously we have this perception ke it's heavy and we're gonna sweat more. Like, and with coconut oil is that it's very light. I don't apply a ton of it. I just apply a little bit of it on my roots and on my ends, and my just hair are just come out so soft and so nice and so shiny, and they stay like that for the next 3 to 4 days. 4 दिनों बाद फिर oil, the hair start making their own oil. Like, it just works wonder for me, because it's so, for me that's like really insane whenever I'm applying this oil, and that is helping my hair to stay fresh for days. Also, coconut oil makes your scalp hydrated, so आपकी डैंड्रफ कम होगी, क्योंकि आपकी स्कैल्प जो है वो हाइड्रेटेड होगी और मॉइस्चर्ड होगी. तो that's also good. So coconut oil is really good. I add 2-3 drops of rosemary oil for the hair growth, or क्योंकि I do have a lot of less hair, so I add drops of rosemary oil. Like, and it's fine if that's not your thing. Like, and I think a coconut oil, if you like struggle with this and you want your hair to be fresh, then you need to like give coconut oil a shot, especially if you have same hair texture as me. You have seen me, you might really know what, like, my hair texture is silky. So for me, coconut oil works wonder. I cannot like advise any shampoo, cause मैं खुद अभी तक कोई अच्छा शैम्पू अपने लिए ढूंढ नहीं पाई. तो मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे शैम्पू की इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं, और शैम्पू के इंग्रेडिएंट्स की भी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. तो I hope के what you're using works for you, and let me know as well. Like, for hair freshness, coconut oil is something that I use, and it just makes my hair look so good in summer. And I also don't get that much sweaty. I don't know, like, it just is, it just makes my hair feel fresh. Now we talked about staying fresh and clean, we talked about hydration, we talked about skincare and how to make your hair feel fresh. We're gonna talk about protecting yourself from sun. because that is really important to do in summers, because even if you are staying fresh, you are hydrated, and you are doing all of this, the sun is still out there and you need to protect yourself from that. Because if it is directly, like the ray is directly coming on your skin, then it can damage your skin, especially if you're using any active ingredient on your skin. So to protect yourself from sun, your whole body, your face and whole body, you need to use a sunscreen. I cannot vouch enough. Like, I know कि even I would think कि वो sunscreen से तो कुछ भी नहीं होता, ये नहीं होता, वो नहीं होता. I did not use sunscreen in the first 2.5 years of my university, and I regret it so much. Sunscreen is so good. It does help your skin. It does its job. It's real. It is good. I cannot vouch enough. Please protect your skin and your body from, मतलब जो body पे skin है वो भी, from the sun, and use sunscreen. And I have a good sunscreen recommendation for you that is also not that expensive. So I have used a few sunscreens, और मेरा हमेशा ये होता है कि जितनी सस्ती चीज़ मिल सकती है उतनी मिले, because I don't want to spend 3,000, 4,000 on a single makeup or a skincare product. So I was in the search of a good sunscreen, or I found the sunscreen which is clinically proven, it is dermatologically proven, and it's also easily available. You can order it online, and it's also available in medical stores. And that sunscreen is Neobrella. The price of that sunscreen is $690 or $790. I think it's $790, which is not that cheap, honestly. For my mom is like, that's not cheap. Like, मैंने उनको बताया कि there is sunscreen of worth that actually work are like 3,000, 4,000. उसके हिसाब से बहुत अच्छी है. And it's also like acclaimed. I was about to say critically acclaimed. Like, it's not a movie. It's like clinically proven, and dermatologists recommend it. It's really good. It does not have white cast. It does not. Also, it does not have like a lot of oil. It has a matte finish, which if you are looking for a matte finish, then that sunscreen is really good. I personally do like my sunscreen to have a little bit grease, because I like when there are a little bit grease, and it just makes my skin look more glowy, and it gives me that clean girl makeup look. If you know, you know. लेकिन the thing is that कि जब मैं ये वाली भी लगाती हूँ, since मैंने इसके नीचे moisturizer लगाया होता है, और जो है कभी मैं अपना अगर हाइलोरॉनिक एसिड सीरम लगा रही हूँ वो भी मैंने लगाया होता है, तो वो सब कुछ मैंने लगाया होता है ना. ऑल्सो आई एम वेल हाइड्रेटेड. तो जब मैं ये लगाती हूँ उसके फिर 10 मिनट बाद it's not that matte. It does not makes my skin dry, and my skin looks really nice and really shiny, and it just makes my skin look really good. कि मुझे उसके बाद मेरा दिल भी नहीं चाहता कि मैं ऊपर BB क्रीम या बेस या कंसीलर ऐसी कोई चीज़ लगाऊं, which is my next point. लेकिन we'll move on to it later. Basically, sunscreen is really important, and Neobrella is really light. They did not sponsor me. I wish they had, लेकिन they did not. I just want you guys to use a good sunscreen. So that is really good. But if you're using any other sunscreen and it works for you and you like it, then that's really good as well. If you like non-greasy or greasy, बिल्कुल जो नॉन ग्रीसी होती है ना, वो आपकी स्किन में इतनी अच्छी तरह ब्लेंड नहीं होती, तो दे नीड टू हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ग्रीस. तो Neobrella is really good because it has a matte finish, but it's also not that greasy. और तो I am using that. I really love it, or it literally feels so light on your skin, so I really like it. So it helps you protect from sun. Lekin the other things that also could protect you from the sun is wearing caps. I personally really like wearing caps. I do not own it since so long. Like in university, basically I protected my skin through caps because I was stupid to not wear sunscreen. Like in wearing caps is really good. Also wearing, oh my god, I would not use sunglasses, would not wear sunglasses for the longest time, because I would see it as an accessory and a fashion statement, and I thought I look stupid in it. I look ridiculous in it. Lekin it took me a while to realize. I just learned it like last year. It also helps your eyes and protect them from the sun. And whenever I go out, I wear it, and then whenever I remove it, I realize why it is important to wear sunglasses. So please, if you are going out every single day, please wear a pair of sunglasses. Like, you gonna feel the difference. It's gonna. दूसरी बात ये है कि मतलब कि obviously we are talking about how to make summer like less painful for us. Sunglasses really help in that, cause आपकी आंखों पे directly धूप नहीं पड़ रही, ठीक है, और that does help. Trust me. Or even with hats or umbrella, the sun ray is not directly on you, and that will help you because you are in a shade. That will help you. It will make the thing more better for you. बजाय इसके कि आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, and you are just directly, your skin and your face and your eyes are directly facing the sun. ठीक है, इससे बेहतर है कि you have a cap और सनस्क्रीन. इफ़ यू कैन हैंडल एन अम्ब्रेला देन डू. मेरे पास यूनिवर्सिटी में एक सेमेस्टर की अम्ब्रेला थी एंड वो हर किसी की आंखों में लगती थी, तो आई वाज लाइक नो रबिया, डोंट डू दैट, दैट्स अ लॉट. लेकिन इफ़ यू वांट टू, तो अम्ब्रेला इज़ रियली गुड, और उससे आपका साथ वाला भी बच जाता है, तो आप मतलब यू कैन हेल्प दैट देम एज वेल. लेकिन दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आई थिंक के हेल्प्स यू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम द सन. और इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट सनस्क्रीन है, जो कि लाजमी है, लेकिन देयर आर ऑल्सो अदर थिंग्स दैट कैन हेल्प यू. प्लीज़ वेयर सनस्क्रीन. I look ridiculous in it, like, and it does help, and you need to have it, or you can find a frame that suits your face shape and could look good on you. So maybe find that, like, and wear sunscreen and sunglasses, and wear a cap if you want more extra protection and you don't want the sun to directly like come on your face. Even if you're wearing sunscreen, because the sun is still gonna annoy you, so this would give you a nice shade. Now we talked about staying fresh and clean, we talked about protecting from sun, we talked about hydration, and we talked about skincare. Now this is about fashion. Not fashion like what you can like wear and all of that, like to make yourself look presentable, like fashion-y. Okay, so I love wearing light colors in summers. Growing up, ठीक है, I would think कि मुझ पे तो light colors suit ही नहीं करते, because I have a brown skin and I cannot wear white, I cannot wear all these colors, only for me to grow up and realize कि light color look better on me than dark color, because it just looks better. और if you have noticed, मैं पिछले 3 साल से ईद पे सिर्फ pastels पहन रही हूँ, because I love wearing pastels and I think they complement my skin tone so much, and it's summer, तो pastel season है. I love wearing light colors. I love wearing white. I love wearing pastel pink, lilac, sea green, baby blue, इस तरह के colors. So if you are like into it, and obviously you can wear any color you want, like, and you might have noticed that whenever the season changes, I just have this color palette in my mind, and I love just going with it, and I love like following it and seeing if I have anything in my wardrobe, or if I'm buying something, so I would maybe keep that in mind. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि जाके नए कपड़े खरीद, इसका मतलब ये है कि whatever you have, just work with it. Or obviously I'm still gonna wear dark colors. It's just like a thing that just मतलब कि that we can talk about, okay? So I love wearing pastel. I also love wearing floral in summer. I think floral is something that is just so me, and I just find myself, even if you follow me on Instagram, you would know how great value floral have. I want floral curtains. I have a floral bedsheet. I want floral wallpaper. Floral is like really like means a lot to me. Floral print, and it's just so nice. So I love wearing floral. So you can like see and wear light colors, and that would make you feel better. मुझे नहीं पता वो कौन लोग हैं that can like bear wearing jeans in summers, because for me I cannot. मुझे लगता है मेरी टांगें गल जाएंगी. I cannot wear jeans too thick. लेकिन I have noticed that there are thinner material jeans as well. Like, and if you're wearing jeans, so I think के खुली वाली पहने, I don't know what's they're called, loose fit jeans, I don't know. मतलब don't wear skinny jeans. एक तो they're out of fashion, दूसरी बात ये है कि you will just गर्मी लगेगी बहुत ज़्यादा. तो yeah, if you are wearing it, so you can see. I think I also like the tops you wear on jeans, and they're like made of cotton, and you can purchase them from Ethnic or Sapphire, and but they have a desi touch on them. They are top, and you wear them on pants, like they are not like western button down collar wali shirts. They have this eastern टच टू इट, और उसका गला वैसे होता है या वैसे होता है. आई लव दोट शर्ट्स, so I think मे बी wear that on winters. Oh, on summers, I'm so sorry. Like, I personally love just wearing light and airy and breezy clothes in summer, so you can look up to your wardrobe and see that. I love wearing white trousers, मतलब कि जो जिनके साथ matching हो. So that is really good. I personally am not a huge fan of co-ord sets, cause for me मुझे लगता है कि I like my trouser to be of a different color, cause that is more like a more put together look for me. या फिर मुझ पे शायद co-ords इतना सूट नहीं करते, so it does not, मतलब कि whenever I wear co-ords and go out, it does not look that serious. So personally for me it's more proper कि I'm wearing a trouser जिसकी अच्छी सी करीज बनी हो. और I'm very particular about ironing clothes. मुझे घंटे लग जाते हैं, cause I'm like my clothes need to be perfect. I like ironing. I don't like, लेकिन I'm very specific about ironing clothes. So मुझे उसकी क्रीज भी अच्छी बनानी होती है, और मुझे होता है उसमें एक भी सिलवट ना हो. So I do that a lot. और summers में तो specially, क्योंकि उसमें आप कपड़े भी ऐसे पहनो that requires ironing. I know it sucks, लेकिन it is what it is. So I think you can wear clothes, मतलब you can wear and enjoy lawn, cause we cannot in winter, क्योंकि उसमें आपको इतनी ज़्यादा लेयरिंग करनी होती है. तो इस वजह से wear that, wear the dupattas, wear the colors you always wanted to wear, and it would be nice. Now the next thing is makeup. Over the years, maybe it's cause कि I am so much into skincare, या फिर मुझे नहीं पता क्या है, लेकिन I just don't like wearing that much makeup now. I like it when my natural texture is on my skin, so I am good to go with a moisturizer and a sunscreen. With a sunscreen like Neobrella या कोई भी, मैं जब भी sunscreen लगाती हूँ, it just makes me feel enough, and I am like okay, I'm good to go. I don't want to use base. So if you are at that stage, or if you're doing sunscreen and it just makes you more like मतलब you are just satisfied with your skin, so it's okay to have pigmentation and texture. It's okay. मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स भी हैं, मेरे हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन भी बहुत ज़्यादा है जो पिंपल की है, लेकिन still if I'm going out and it's not that special, it's not a meetup and I'm going out to run errands or something that is usual, so I don't like putting base on top, because I feel really nice with my bare skin with sunscreen obviously. तो यू कैन हैव दिस प्रैक्टिस एज वेल. आई विश आई न्यू इट इन माई यूनिवर्सिटी दिस. अब मैं कहती हूँ कि मैंने पागल थी जो मैंने इतनी बीबी क्रीम लगाई है. सो what my makeup for summers is that I'm gonna put on obviously the whole skincare, moisturizer, sunscreen, and then mascara. I'm gonna do my brows, cause I started doing my brows cause I have stopped like getting my brows plucked for some reasons that I don't want to talk about right now. Like, I stopped getting my brows like plucked and threaded, so it is important for me to make my brows. So I make my brows, I do my eyebrows, and I just put on lip gloss, या फिर not lip gloss लेकिन a lip balm that is pigmented, or a lipstick, और फिर I use the same lipstick as a blush, and that is enough for me. I like when I'm not wearing base and I'm not even a concealer and I'm just going, लेकिन if it's serious for me then I cover my hyperpigmentation with a concealer, लेकिन it's not, ठीक है. So I would say for summers you need to try that as well. I personally am really obsessed with clean girl makeup look, और उसमें भी there is just so much minimal makeup. A lot of people still use base, लेकिन I personally think we need to be more acceptable towards our skin texture. Ever since I started doing skincare, even though my skincare is not that huge, not an 8-step Korean skincare, like, and still it gave me so much confidence, and I love and enjoy my skin so much that I just do not feel like putting a lot of makeup. If you're in university, you can try that as well, because obviously with a lot of makeup you sometimes also do not feel fresh, because आपने चीज़ लगाई हुई है, तो you can sweat a lot, the makeup gets ruined. So in summers I think if you are doing minimal makeup, that could make you feel more fresh. So try that. I'm gonna put a video actually जो मैंने अपना पूरा makeup का बताया. I'll do that and put it on my Instagram on close friends. So if you're not on my close friends, please remind me, I'll add you in. So I'll do that, and मुझे लगता है कि for me that really works. It makes me feel more fresh in summers. It's a clean girl makeup look, so obviously it makes me feel clean as well. Or sometimes when sometimes when my hair are having a bad day, so if my skin looks really nice, which it does whenever I do skincare, तो मतलब कि it's a nice day for me and it just cover ups for my hair. तो मुझे लगता है कि for me it's a good thing to invest more in my skincare than makeup, and I just finally love my bare skin so much because it's nice. Also after मतलब कि it's just enough. Okay, so I would love you to do that because it makes you feel more fresh. You know, मतलब कि the idea for me to be in summers या मतलब कि to be in summers is that कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि you're wearing a certain color and you're just fresh and clean, or you see someone like that and you're just आप उनके पास से गुजरते हो तो their just presence is like a cool breeze because they're wearing a really cool color and they just look very nice and fresh. I don't know if you guys can like imagine what I'm imagining, but I want us to be like that. Okay, we just feel like a cool breeze for whoever is passing across us because we just feel so fresh. So I want, obviously we want to be fresh, like we want to appear fresh as well, and I hope all of these things help you in that. So that's it for the podcast. I was actually planning to add 3-4 topics more about productivity, but then I realized it's a separate topic and I can talk about it separately in another episode. And it would be really nice because it would be different topics, so you can focus on one thing, then two things blending in each other. So I'm gonna talk about productivity in summer in the next episode. But अभी के लिए इतना ही है. I also hit my deadline, so इसके बाद I have to go and pray, and मेरी कुरान क्लास का टाइम भी हो रहा है. उसके बाद I have to work. Also, very exciting news. लेकिन I am going to be recording my podcast for the next week with a bunch of people who belong for this organization that is Pakistan Help organization, and they're all like psychology student, and they reached out to me and they said that they would love to talk about loneliness with me because they are really big on that. And since I talk a lot about wellness, even though I am not a psychologist and I am not, like, and it comes with the wellness, so I like talking about these things. So they were like, we would love to collaborate. So I was like, this would be an honor and a great opportunity for me. So I am doing that with them kal, and it's gonna come out on my page next week, and they're gonna upload some content on their page as well. Like, and I'll share that on my story, and I'll share more about it on my stories. So make sure you guys look forward to that, and you guys are the first people who are getting to know about it. So if you're listening to the podcast, you are the VIP people, and I'm telling you that. So इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि please do look forward to that, and I am so excited for it, and I hope that I just get more opportunities like that because I think I have so much to say, and I love talking about wellness and self-growth and all the things that could may lead to you to live a better life. So I hope कि कल जो मैंने record करनी है that could be a success and we could have a great discussion, and I hope I get more opportunities like that because my end goal is to feature on TED Talk. Like, that's very far-fetched. So let's not talk about it. Like, please make sure to look forward to the next episode. It's gonna be great because obviously I will be in it. Like, and there would be a lot of people who are professional and study about it, so you will get to know a lot, and I hope it's a fun and an interesting episode for you. So see you next week. Thank you so much for listening to it. Love you. Bye.